everyone, it's me DJ back here with another video for you guys, and today I am going to be reacting to slime ASMRs, the satisfying kind. Yesterday I did a reaction to slime pet peeves. Hopefully this one is better. Let's get started. I like that slime, it's really pretty and clear. Everything is going out. I thought this was a slime ASMR, the satisfying kind, slime sticky ASMR, the slime pet peeve. Okay, whatever. It's fine, it's fine. Very fine. It is very pretty. It's very pretty slime. Okay, I was silent for a moment because that slime looks really pretty. It just like a gloss. I went silent, okay? Sorry about that. Wait, is this just putting flown beads in it? Yeah, it's flown slime. So it's flown spiking. I didn't realize that. Okay, it's fine. The slimes are very pretty though. I will say, they are very, very pretty. And also guys, sorry about yesterday's video that it looked really bad and you could barely see it, and sometimes when I was talking they would cut it off. I don't know why that happened when I uploaded it, so I'm gonna try to make sure to edit this one and make it better. Sorry about that. Because I forgot to edit that video, so today I'm gonna edit this one. Hopefully it's better. If not, I'm just gonna post it for you guys to watch with me. Because I don't want to do this video by myself. And then I gotta take a shower. It's morning time. Yeah. Alright, this is really pretty. It's like a mixture of pink and white. It's so pretty. Look at the flame beads. They're big and small. It looks kind of like a cookie. I don't know. I'm just creating cookies right now. Cookies. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. I don't know why, but I feel like some white slimes are so pretty even though they have nothing in them. They're just pretty without anything. Basically. And so are clear slimes. Just clear by itself and white by itself is perfect for me. I don't need any color, really nothing. So, yeah. Oh my god, look at that. It's so pretty. It's nice and pretty. I have slimes, but I like to make jiggly slimes. I don't like the stretchy, glossy kind. I like jiggly slimes. I don't know, I like some jiggly. Comment down below your favorite slime to get a shout out in tomorrow's video, or today if I post another one. Maybe another reacting video, I don't know. So, yeah. Sounds pretty. I just like the colors of the foam beads. It's kind of nice. I'm going silent. Oh my god, that one's pretty. Oh, my dog is barking. That's okay. Okay, the video is almost over. And, oh yeah, and shout out to, let me check. Shout out to Satisfying Slime ASMR. Wait, what was that? She's my favorite YouTuber! See this one right here, the first one, no, the second one in the little list? She's my favorite YouTuber! She's my favorite. I love her role plays. Her name is Let's Play. Go check out her channel. Shout out to her. She's my favorite YouTuber! Okay, need to calm down. I am subscribed to her. So, yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye!